Hello, little friends. My name is Milo. I am your new friend. And your teacher, too. Today, we are going to learn colors together. In my magical garden. It will be so much fun. We will see apples, butterflies, flowers, balloons, and many colorful things. Are you ready, my little friends? Flies, smile with me, and let's begin our color adventure. Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look, little friends. This balloon is red. Can you say red? Red! Great job! Look at this apple. The apple is red. Can you say red? Red! Look, little friends. Look at the strawberry. The strawberry is red. Can you say red? Red! Wonderful! Look, little friends. The apple is red. The strawberry is red. Can you say red? Red! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. This balloon is blue. Can you say blue? Blue! Very good, little friends. Look at the bird. The bird is blue. Can you say blue? Blue! Amazing! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. This leaf is green. Can you say green? Green! Very good, little friends. Look at the grass. The grass is green. Can you say green? Green! Great job! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look at this banana. The banana is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow! Great job! Look up, little friends. The sun is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow! Look at the duck. The duck is yellow. Can you say yellow? Wonderful! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look at this flower. The flower is pink. Can you say pink? Pink! Beautiful! This balloon is pink. Can you say pink? Pink! Great job, little friends. Yummy! This cupcake pink. Can you say pink? Pink! Wonderful! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Wow, the pumpkin is orange. Can you say orange? Orange! Wonderful! Wow, the pumpkin is orange. Can you say orange? Orange! Amazing! Look at this carrot. The carrot is orange. Can you say orange? Orange! Great job! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look at the grapes. The grapes are purple. Can you say purple? Purple! Amazing! This umbrella is purple. Can you say purple? Purple! Wonderful! Look at the kite. The kite is purple. Can you say purple? Purple! Great job! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. This crayon is black. Can you say black? Black! Very good, little friends. Look at the tire. The tire is black. Can you say black? Black! Amazing! Look, little friends, this hat is black. Can you say black? Black! Black! Great job! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Yummy! This cookie is brown. Can you say brown? Brown! Wonderful! Look at the teddy bear. The teddy bear is brown? Brown! Great job! Look at the tree trunk. The tree trunk is brown. Can you say brown? Brown! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look up, little friends. The cloud is white. Can you say white? White! Great job! Look up this flower. The flower is white. Can you say white? White! Beautiful! Yay! Let's dance today. So many beautiful colors together. Look at the elephant. The elephant is gray. Can you say gray? Great job! Look at this stone. The stone is gray. Can you say gray? Very good! Look it up, little friends. The cloud is gray. Can you say gray? Wonderful! Great job, little friends! Today, we learned so many beautiful colors together.